you can do this correctly, then you will never be broke again in your life. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you one simple method, one simple recipe that you can do that will make money to come to you continuously. You will never be broke again. You will never lack money if only you can do this correctly. We are going to be using simple ingredients, things that you even have flying around or lying around in your house. And what are these ingredients? Number one, you are going to be needing any local denomination, your denomination of your choice. It can be any one. Like in my case, I have 500 naira, 100 naira, I have 1,000 naira. You can use any one of these. You can even use the 50 naira. Then in your own case, you can use your local denomination. You can use the dollar, you can use the pounds, you can use the euro. Just amount signifying just money. Is going to be signifying money. Then you are going to be needing what we call cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick, not powder, cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick. And I have cinnamon here. There are two types of cinnamon. We have the Ceylon, we have the cassia. Anyone you can get, we do. Actually, if you can get the Ceylon is more potent. But any cinnamon stick that you can get, we do. Then you'll be needing a white plain paper. Also, you'll be needing thread, as in the one you use to sew your clothes. Now, the thread you are going to be using is either white, yellow, or gold. You cannot use red or black for this. If you want it to work correctly, you need this. So, let's get how are we going to be doing it? How are we going to be preparing it? Simple. What you do is you get your cinnamon stick. Then you take your money, any amount of currency bill that you have. You just, let me say, you have to cut it to size. Then you now roll it in, just roll it like this. The cinnamon stick is inside. You are rolling it with the paper, with the money, with the currency. Then you get a plain paper. Then you want to roll the plain paper. I'm going to be still explaining to you why we are doing what we are doing. We are going to roll it like this. You roll it like this. And once you do it like that, then you are going to use a white thread or yellow thread or gold thread, as the case may be. Then you are going to be using it to bind it together. And once you bind it together, then you have done the part one of the thing. You can see it's very simple. You just bind it together. Make sure you tie this together. That's the part one. Now, what is the essence of this? The ingredients. Cinnamon is known to attract money. It brings money. Cinnamon attracts money. One, it will repel all negativity that is disturbing you not to attract money. So it will now bring money to attract money. There is no way that you have cinnamon on you and you go broke, except you don't know what they're doing. Cinnamon brings money. That's number one. Then the essence of the money that you are using, the currency bill, it signifies money because you are attracting money. So this signifies money. Then the thread, you are binding it together, means you are binding money. You are binding money to you. That is, you are binding it together. It means you are inviting that money to come to you. Now, the essence of the white paper that we use in wrapping it is just to cover it, because we don't want people to understand the source of our wealth. Because money, as from when you do it, if you do it correctly, money will start locating you. It will start coming to you. You will start attracting money. Even your neighbors will be surprised. Why is this guy getting the money? Because the money will be coming ceaselessly. So that is it. Now, what are you going to be doing with what you have done? What are you going to be doing? How are you going to be using it? This is what you do. You must always keep this with you. This thing should never leave you. It can be in your purse. You can put it in your purse. You can put it in your handbag. You can put it in your pocket. But it must always be with you. There is no way you have this and money will not come to you. Any time that this thing is with you, you never lack money. You never beg for money. Money will locate you. And by doing it, you have done your part. It is the universe that know where the money will be coming from. The universe will bring the money from right, center, left, everywhere, every corner of the earth. Money will be coming to you. I'm telling you this because I have it in my purse. It has never left my purse, but I renew it from time to time. I will just change it. I will renew just to re-energize it one way or the other, but it's always in my purse. I have it in my purse, I have it in my bag, because I have a bag. I have it in my bag, I have it in my purse. And ever since I know this, money has never left me. I've never begged for money. Money locates me. People dash me, people gift me. Anytime I go out. And this is very good for ladies. Ladies, it's very good for them. It works perfectly for them because people will be blessing them. People, even suitors will come. Those who do not have suitors will come and they will bless them from right, center, left. It's as simple as this. But the only thing stopping you from making the money is not doing it. If you do it, the money will look for you. This simple ritual, just do it. Once you do it, I'm challenging you to do it. Once you do it, then you will never lack money. The only problem is when you don't do it. And if you do it and you do it correctly, then you will never lack money. I'm challenging you to do it today and start seeing the result immediately. This one does not stay long. Once you do it, you start attracting money. Money will never leave you. You continue to have money. You will never lack. By the way, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. You are not paying anybody. You see the subscribe button down. Just click on it and a bell will come out. Just click on the bell. Once you click on the bell, you'll be notified. Anytime I upload good videos like this, you'll be notified. And I upload videos weekly. So you don't want to miss out on the videos I've lined up. So make sure you are subscribed and you click on the notification bell, so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent. And don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.